So let's try another example. It says the probability that an 18-year-old will die within 1 year is approximately 0.000753. Suppose that the premium for a 1-year $10,000 life insurance policy for an 18-year-old is $45. What is the insurance company's expectation for this policy? So I'm going to do it the book way first. I'm looking at the expected value. To find the expected value, I need to consider, do they live or do they die? I need to consider the probabilities of those two. Well, the probability that they die is given to you. It's 0.000753. So that means the probability that they live is 1 minus that number. So 1 minus 0.000753 is the probability they live. And I'm getting a probability of 0.999247. Okay. So now we need to consider, if they live, what did the insurance company, again, this is the insurance company's expectation. So what did the insurance company make? Well, they guaranteed if they live, they made that $45 from that person. Okay. If they die, what happened? Well, it's a $10,000 policy, so the company lost $10,000. But don't forget, even though they lost the $10,000, they did make $45 off of that person. So that's the loss plus the actual cost of the premium. So plug these numbers into your calculator and let's see what you get. I'm getting approximately an expected value of $37.47. So again, this means on average for every policy that they write, they can expect a profit of $37.47. Okay, let's try it the other way that I showed you on the previous page to do the expected value. Again, this is a little different. It's not following the formula because my probabilities don't add to 1, but this does always work. So it is a 100% or a probability of 1% of probability of 1 guaranteed that the person pays $45 to the company. So for every person, they are guaranteed $45. However, they do have a loss, so I'm going to do subtraction here. They have a loss of $10,000 with a probability of 0.000753. That's the probability that they lose money, and the amount that they would lose if they did lose money would be $10,000. So I'm using the subtraction for the loss. I could have used addition here and put the negative number on the 10,000. It doesn't really matter, but this always works as well. Go ahead and put this into your calculator, see what you get. I get the exact same amount of $37.47. So regardless of which way you do it, you are going to end up with the same amount here. You could do it the blue way, which is the textbook way, or the black way, which is my way. Will get you the right answer as well in these problems. Okay. So it says expectation is also used when companies bid on projects. The company must try to predict costs and the amount of work involved to make the bid, so to ensure that they will make a profit. At the same time, if a bid is too high, a client may reject the offer. Because it is impossible to predict in advance the exact requirements of a job, probabilities can be used to analyze the likelihood of making a profit. So it says, suppose a software company bids on a project to update a database program for an accounting firm. The software company assesses its potential profit with the following table. So the probability that they make a profit of $75,000 is 10% or 0.10. Probability that they make $50,000 profit is 0.25, $20,000 profit is 0.5, a $10,000 loss would be 0.10, and a $25,000 loss would be 0.05, so 5%. It says, what is the expected value of the company? Well, this is a nice and easy problem because the chart puts the winnings or losses right times the probability. And remember, what we're going to do is multiply each one of these numbers together. Once we multiply each one of these numbers together, we are then going to add them. So go ahead and multiply them now. 75,000 times 0.10, I'm getting $7,500. 50,000 times 0.25, I'm getting $12,500. 20,000 times 0.5, I'm getting $10,000. Negative $10,000 times 0.10, I'm getting minus $1,000. Negative 25,000 times 0.05, that 5%, I'm getting negative $1,250. So that would be the probability times the win or the loss. And then again, all we have to do is add all these numbers together. So add all these numbers together and see what you get. I'm getting an expected value of $27,750. So what does that mean? It means if the company bids multiple projects of the same type, that they should expect a profit of approximately $27,750 for each project they completed.